Hello my friend, how are you all? Hope that going well. So this is my first video, so I humbly request to you that like, subscribe and comment on my channel. So this day I'm going to teach you that how can you make your computer hotspot. So for this purpose, first of all you need to download one software from Google. So that is free software, no cost. Type in there mhostpot. Mhostpot download. So enter. So you need to click that will show in front of there. Click in there. So look at there is showing four options for Windows, for Android, Ubuntu, etc. So you need to install for window purpose. So I click in there, but I have already downloaded it. So after download you will find their setup. So double click on there, click on yes. Just wait, it might be take some second. So after that you need to click on next, then again next. So there, look at there you will select the exact location where you want to install it. So that is I want to install in my C partition, because that is for software purpose. So click on next. The name of the software hotspot as it is as, click on next, again next, accept, install. The process is running. It might be take some minute. It's depend on your computer. Click on launch hotspot, finish. So after that that will show a pop-up message but cut in there. So again go to your computer and search in there mhostpot. Sorry, mhostpot. Oh my god. Mhostpot. Oh, it might be some problem. Okay, look at there was. So in first time you need to go your computer setting, like in there, click on this option, click on right click or go to control panel, just in there. After going to control panel, click on the network and sharing center. After that you need to click again network and sharing center. Okay, so there are three options. You need to click on Ethernet, click on property. That will pop up one dialog box. Oh, okay. Now there are two tools, one network and another is a sharing. So you need to click on sharing, click OK. Allow the other network user to connect through this computer internet connection. Okay, click on there, tick. After that click on OK. So again will show you one dialog box. Click on yes. Okay, so cut there. Okay, Again run your mhostpot. It might take some second every time. Okay, look at there is your hotspot name. My name is my hotspot name will Wi-Fi, or my name is Ali Abdel. I want to that user connector with this name. There you will select your key that you need to connect with the hotspot. So you may write anything that what you want, like 1 2 4 3 4 5 6 8. So hide it. So that is a necessary that you after drop down menu you need to select in there Ethernet, not none. If you will select that, they will not they will just connect, but don't working. So you need to select on Ethernet. So click on start button. Click on start button. There is starting. Okay, when it will be start, there you say there is shown on. Okay, look at there is write that hotspot on. Okay, so now you need to go your other computer or on your mobile device and then check your Wi-Fi hotspot. Okay, so after that